I'm going to walk through the process of signing up for Evolve Automated Trading and show you guys how to connect to your VPS, then install and use Evolve. Futures trading involves substantial risk and is not suitable for all investors. You can lose more than your initial investment. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always use risk management and trade only with funds you can afford to lose.
The first thing you will need to do is go to Hostvenom.com to get your VPS. You need to do this first because you will need the VPS IP address when signing up for Evolve. Make sure to use the Evolve partner discount on Hostvenom.com. The link is in the description. At this time, Hostvenom is the only VPS that will run Evolve and is mandatory. Two reasons are that the Evolve analysis is done on the same network at Hostvenom, as well as it being very close to the CME in Chicago. After you click Order Now, make sure that for the operating system that the Evolve specific one is selected. For the host name, it can be anything you want, maybe your name with VPS at the end.
Enter a password and click Continue. After you have processed your payment, you will get a couple of emails from Hostvenom. You will need to find the one that has your service details because you will need to input the IP address in a couple of places. Keep the email open in another tab for later. Next, go to Evolvetrading.AI and click Sign Up. Input a username and password, then click Sign Up. On the Evolve dashboard, you'll see a button you can click that says Order Auto Trader. This screen is where you will input your IP address to your Hostvenom VPS. Copy and paste it from the email, click Next, and complete the risk disclosure, then the payment. Next, we're going to log into the VPS. You will need to pull up Remote Desktop on your PC. To do this, right-click on the Windows icon and click Search. Type in Remote, and the Remote Desktop connection will show up. It comes default with Windows. The Remote Desktop box will pop up. Click Show Options. For the line that says Computer, copy and paste your VPS IP address into the box. The username should be Administrator. Once you click Connect, if you're doing this for the first time, another box will pop up asking for a password. Input the one you created for your VPS. This is your VPS. It comes pre-installed with NinjaTrader8 and the files for Evolve. Click on NinjaTrader and log in. Are a couple of things we need to do next. Go to Tools, then Settings. In the Trading section, uncheck Confirm Order Placement. Under General, check Multi-Provider so that you can input your connection info and change the skin to dark if you want to take your sunglasses off. Click Apply. To install Evolve onto your NinjaTrader, click Tools, mouse over Import, and select NinjaScript add-on. The file selector takes a second to pop up. Select Desktop and then select the only file on the VPS. Once it is done importing, we need to restart NinjaTrader. If you change the skin, this is when you will see the change take effect. Go ahead and close everything but the control center. You'll need to set up your data feed next. Click on Connections, then Configure. Follow your provider's instructions for how to connect to NinjaTrader. For most prop firms, it will either be Tradeovate or Rhythmic. Once you've finished setting up your connection and you see the green light indicating you're live, click on New, then Chart. We're going to click ES since it is there by default. Evolve runs on 5-minute charts. Change value to 5, then click Preset Minute. Then save. This makes it so that whenever you open a new chart, it should open as a 5-minute chart. Next, open the Chart Trader, then right-click on the chart, click Template, then Save as default. This makes it so that new charts will always have the Chart Trader open on them. To load Evolve, click on Strategy at the top of the chart. Alternatively, you can right-click on the chart and click Strategies. Double-click on Evolve ES Live. We recommend you leave the settings on default. This is how we run them. We will make more videos going into detail on each setting. Select the account you want to run the strategy on and click Apply, then OK. On the top left of the chart, you will see Evolve ES Live. It is very important that this is the only thing loaded on the chart. To turn on Evolve, go to the Control Center, then the Strategies tab. Click Enable. Verify that you have loaded the correct strategy for the correct chart, meaning ES for ES. At the time of recording, the ES will start trading around 10 a.m. and end at 5 p.m. However, since the AI decides when to run it, this can change at any time and you are always responsible for monitoring every trade. When you're done trading for the day, uncheck the Enable box to disable the strategy. For NQ, GC, and RTY, simply repeat the process. You can arrange your charts however you want, but again, make sure to be watching them when it is in a trade. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to email us at support@Evolvetrading.AI. We're here to help you succeed. Like and subscribe to stay up to date and for more content. Make sure to join the Discord, links in the description.